Hi Kirby fans, so today what we're going to be doing is we're going to be fitting some new wheels to that Heritage 84. So what we'll do is we'll go straight to it. Hi Kirby fans, welcome back to the channel. Again, those new to the channel, if you're getting value out of this content, then contemplate, slap that subscribe button, it's absolutely free. Ding that bell for notifications so you don't miss any upcoming episodes. Give us a big thumbs up and comment down below. I will reply to the comment, and if I like what you comment, I'll pin it to the video. So as I said at the beginning of the video, we're going to be putting some wheels on that Heritage 84. Now, if you haven't checked out the video, there will be an iCard above at the end, so make sure you check that one out. This was a pickup a couple of months back. The only thing I was lacking was some actual wheels, and they've actually turned up from the States. So I'm really impressed with that. So I'll quickly zoom in and show you what we've got and how to fix them. So what we'll do is we'll get straight to it. Right, so again, I've got some more parts that have actually come from the States, and I will put a link in the description of where to get these from. This is to just give that Kirby a well-deserved uplift. Literally, it was just the wheels that needed doing. So what we'll do is we'll zoom in, and I'll quickly show you how easy they are to change. So what we'll do is we'll get straight to it. Right, so we're going to start off by moving the portable head. Again, if you've got your belt wound down, turn it off. So mine shouldn't be wound on, so that just pops off like so. It just makes it a lot easier to get to. As you can see, the wheels are really worn. First up, we're going to move our bag. So just unclip that at the top. And then that's a twist. Remember how rightly. Okay. So you can get to your wheels. Now you can take off your handle if you want. I'll just leave it on for this purpose. It's not going to hurt it. You're going to need a Stanley knife. So all we're going to do is take these hubcaps off. If you want to reuse the hubcaps, you can. You can just get some double-sided tape, stick them back on. I just found it was just as cheap to just buy some new ones and give it a bit of a refurb. So just do the front ones first. So just get your Stanley knife on that. Obviously don't slip. And take your thumb off. But as you can see, they do bend. They've been on there that long. Then all we're going to do is get our screwdriver, just a Phillips, and undo those. Okay, put our new wheel on, put our screw back in, okay, and then put our hubcap on. Now all this is double-sided tape on these hubcaps, so just peel that off and just centralise that and pop it back on, like so. And the back one, exactly the same. Just keep your fingers out of the way. Prise that off. And again, on the back, you're going to need a slotted screwdriver, or you can use a Stanley knife. It's entirely up to you. I tend to use a Stanley knife. I just find it easier. Just prise that out, and out that pops. These are a lot easier to take off than the new G series. As you can see, they're well worn. Definitely in need of a new one. And slide that back on, and then just get your little circlip and slide that back on. I find the easiest way to put this back on is just get your little screwdriver, slight screwdriver, just push it from the side, and then that's on. Okay, just check that's not going to come off, which it's not, because what you don't want to do is waste your hubcap. So those are the warm ones, and we'll just stick a new hubcap on. So just make sure check that's gone in again. That's not fully in. Again, if you grab your Stanley knife, you can put it in there, and that is fully in there. Okay. So it's your Stanley knife to put it on, and your Stanley knife to take it off. Peel off your double-sided tape, and pop that on. Just flip it over, and the same on the other side. So again, Stanley knife, take your hubcap off, just keep your fingers well clear. And then just your Phillips screwdriver to take that on. Take that wheel off. Right, so this one took a bit of a twist. If you can't get the screw out, obviously don't round it off. I found the easiest way to do it is obviously get the wheel, and you can see from the state of this, I just drill down the side of the screw. Obviously then got some cutters and just cut up the side of the wheel and cut it off. That way then you can get a pair of mole grips or anything like that, and you can actually grip the screw and you can literally undo it. And then all I suggest is put a WD-40 in there before you screw it back in there. I've got a Loctite in there anyway, so if you're not going to have to undo it again in any long period, then you should be fine. I'm not going to put Loctite on because obviously these wheels are going to stay on now for good. So I'll just screw that back on. Just won't do it mega tight. I'll just nip it up. But I don't know how tight these were on, but they were really tight to get off. That's an easier way of just getting your wheel off. And again, don't drill your finger like I did. Right, so we just put our wheel back on. And then just put our little screw in. And then just tighten it by hand with your Phillips screwdriver. Okay, and just nip it up. There you go, and that's plenty. Then we do is get our hubcap. Again, I will put a link in the description of where to get all the parts I've used today. So just make sure you check those out. Drop that on. And then the back one is just your Stanley knife. Peel the hubcap off. So if you want to reuse it, try not to bend it. I'm putting new ones on. And just get your Stanley knife, push it in the side of that circlip, and prise it out. So out it comes, just like so. Take that wheel off, and we've got our last new one. Put that on, get our circlip, and we're just going to push that on again, and then finally push it in with the end of the Stanley blade. Oops. You can see it's a lot easier to get out than the other circlips in the later models. Let's push that in. Again, don't stab yourself with the Stanley knife. Push that's in line and twist, and that's in. Grab our last hubcap, just here, peel it off. And slot in. Okay. Put our head back on. And put our back on. So we'll go on top. Slot that, slot, and twist. And that's one Kirby refurbed with new wheels. Right, so I hope you enjoyed the video, and that's just a little quick one, just showing you how to change those wheels and how easy it is, and if you've got one stuck, literally how to get it off without damaging your Kirby. Now don't forget, we've got some merchandise in the description, so make sure you check that out. Like I said at the beginning of the video, I will be wearing some when my order actually comes through. There's plenty more designs coming up, and there will be sales and there will be giveaways as we go and this channel grows. So again, those new to the channel, if you're getting value out of this content, then contemplate slapping that subscribe button. It's absolutely free. Ding that bell for notifications so you don't miss any upcoming episodes. Give us a big thumbs up and comment down below. I will reply to the comment, and if you like what you comment, I'll pin it to the video. What we'll do is we'll cut to the bloopers, and I'll catch you in the next one. Now don't forget that. So these are a lot easier to take off than the new G series. Yeah.